Hey, Ryan, I got a question. What do you mean by that big green candle that basically covered all the other days?
So this is the nickname for it is called Marabozu. It's a Japanese word. But in reality, what the story is, it's telling you it's extremely bullish because price started way down here and ended way up
Okay.
here. And it engulfed all the previous day candlesticks. It basically ate them up.
Okay, so basically what it was moving at that whole day, it just went up and above, but it started at the same spot.
Yeah, it started at this support level. I mean, it even tested below it this support where 673 is, where I outlined that.
Hmm.
All these other bottom wicks were touching that price level. So you'll see price get touched and test a lot. It went below it, but then the buyer stepped in and pushed it all the way up.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, so whenever you see engulfing candlesticks like that, that usually tells you where the trend can continue. Now, when those happen at support and resistance, they mean even more. Sometimes when they just happen, like in the middle of a trend, they don't necessarily mean anything. But when they happen at like a support level, like this did, then that's when they have more significance. Same thing on the reverse side. So right here, we had a little bit of an engulfing. This ate the previous day's candlesticks, but it was a bearish, and then price got pushed down. So anytime you see them at resistance or at a support level, pretty much you can be comfortable taking the trade with proper risk management and position sizing, of course, And if it, start with a small position size. If it's going well for you, scale into the trade, especially if you're trading stocks. Options is a little bit harder to do that. There are things that you could do, like, buy the long call with more time out. And then if it's going well, you can scalp with the weeklies overnight. But, you want to be a little bit more experienced with charting at that level. So, but yeah, anytime you see any kind of candlestick pattern, you want to make sure it's happening at a support level or resistance. Any other thing, it really doesn't matter.